Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. Today we are going to make a special treat for all your little ones. We are going to make McDonald's famous McFlurry, that too without a blender. All we need are 2 ingredients. First, take a sleeve of Oreos. A sleeve of Oreos will have about 12 Oreo cookies in them. Put them in a Ziploc bag. Using a rolling pin, smash them till they form coarse crumbs. You don't want really chunky pieces, but you don't want them to be too fine either. Pour most of them into a bowl and keep some aside for topping. Then in a bowl, take 2 cups of softened vanilla ice cream. To this, add the crushed Oreo cookies and using a fork, mix them well. McFlurries are usually thicker than milkshake but softer than regular ice cream. So make sure that the ice cream has softened enough so that you can scoop it out with a spoon with ease. So a couple of things to keep in mind if you're making this in a blender. If your ice cream is too thick, you can add a little bit of milk, about 1/4 cup for this quantity of ice cream. Add it little by little until it's a right consistency. You might not need the whole 1/4 cup. Make sure not to overblend it because the ice cream will melt from the heat produced by the blender and you will end up with milkshake rather than a McFlurry, but it's still going to be delicious. Once the Oreo cookies and the ice cream are mixed well, you can now scoop them into a jar. Top it with lots of crushed Oreos and enjoy. I hope you liked this video. Like, share and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy cooking!